Hello friends, my name is Filbert Leonardo. Today I'm going to present my project, the Customer Behavior Dashboard. This tool is designed to answer one of the most critical questions for any business. Who are our best customers and how do we keep them? While companies have vast amounts of data, turning it into actionable strategies is a challenge. My project tackles this by using RFM Analysis and AI to not only visualize customer behavior, but also to predict churn and generate strategy insights. To begin, users securely log in via Firebase authentication, ensuring their data is protected. So let me log in first. Okay, let's sign in. Once inside, the dashboard greets them with a high level overview. As you can see here, these are the KPI cards. At a glance, decision makers can see vital signs such as total customers, revenue, and active users. Next, here is the advanced filters and import or export button. They can immediately drill down into specific data slices with advanced filters. The ability to import and export CSV files makes integrating this dashboard with existing systems seamless. So as you can filter which segments do you want to display and also the regions. Then these top level numbers only tell part of the story. To truly understand our customer, we need to segment them. Then this is where RFM analysis comes in. We segment our entire customer base into distinct groups based on three key metrics. Recency, how recently did they purchase? Frequency, how often do they purchase? And monetary value, how much do they spend? But we don't stop there. We assign a score from 1 to 5 for each metric, where 5 is the best. This creates a powerful RFM score. For instance, a customer with a score of 555 is a top customer. They purchase very recently, but buy all the time and spend the most money. On the other hand, a customer with a score of 111 is lost. They haven't purchased in a long time, they rebought and spent very little. By applying predefined thresholds to these scores, we automatically segment our entire customer base into distinct strategic groups. This moves us from a generic customer list to a precise strategic segmentation. So at the right side, this is a segment distribution chart. This bar chart instantly shows us the volume and the value of each segment. Are our top customers driving most of our revenue? How many at-risk customers do we have? And then down here you can see the customer segmentation guide. For team members who are new to RFM, this guide provides a clear cheat sheet on the characteristic and recommend engagement strategies for each group. This moves us from a generic customer list to a strategic understanding of different customer types and allowing for targeted marketing. Now, let's continue to the next. Here is the analytics. As you can see here, the first one is RFM analysis. This visualization is powerful. We can immediately see our top customers in the green clusters in the top right quadrant, which means high frequency and high value spending. Conversely, the red lost customers cluster in the bottom left. This is not just a chart, it's a map for our retention strategy. The second analysis is cohort analysis. Customer loyalty is measured over time. This chart tracks groups of customers who make their first purchase in the same month. We can see how well we retain them in subsequent months. The KPI cards above quickly highlight our best and worst performing cohorts. The next one is the revenue trend. Finally, we layer in the financial performance. This line chart shows monthly revenue. By correlating it with the cohort and RFM data, we can ask, was that revenue dip in March because we lost a key cohort? It connects customer behavior directly to financial outcomes. These visualizations are insightful, but interpreting them takes time and expertise. What if the dashboard could do that for us? This is our game changer. The AI Insight Engine analyzes all the data from the previous charts and generates a narrative export. Let me show you. As you can see here, the AI is generating analysis. What you can see in this insight is there are executive summary, a quick high-level overview for busy managers, then the key trends and risks. It automatically flags critical patterns like a growing at-risk segment or a cohort with unusually high drop-off. And also, it gives us actionable recommendations. Most importantly, it suggests concrete strategies. So, this transforms data from being descriptive to being prescriptive, empowering teams to make faster and smarter decisions. Our most advanced feature is proactive churn prediction. Instead of waiting for a customer to leave, we can now identify at-risk individuals before they churn. How it works, a user can select any customer from the database. Our AI model analyzes their behavior and calculates a churn probability score. Then let's wait. It is analyzing the customer whose name is Amaria Taylor. And then this AI will give us the explainable insights. It doesn't just give a number, it provides the reasoning why this customer purchase frequency has decreased by 60% over the last character, for example. And also a personalized strategy. Uh, it offers a recommended strategy tailored to that specific customer, such as personalized check-in or a special offer to re-engage them. So as you can see here, I got some error on the AI. To ensure a smooth demo regardless of the API limits, we can toggle to example mode, which showcase exactly how this life-saving intervention would look in the practice. So it will comes like this, the result, but because of the limit uses of the API Gemini, it says error like that. So to recap, the customer behavior dashboard provides a complete journey. The first one segments customer intelligently. Second, analyzes their behavior and loyalty over time. The third one predicts future actions with AI. And the fourth prescribes actionable strategies to boost retention and revenue. It is more than a dashboard. It's a strategic partner for any business focused on sustainable growth through customer loyalty. So that's all for today. See you next time. Thank you.